Yeah, so um let me show you how you can easily expand your background just within a very short second. Within seconds you are done, especially when you have a background that is just small, a small background, and you have to shoot on it when you have no other option, but you have the knowledge of good knowledge of Photoshop, of using Photoshop. So let me select, I can use this image, but let me pick another image. Let me pick this of Daniel. Okay, this was before, this was how I shot it, this was after, before and after. So this is how you expand this background. So just like this, pick this rectangular marquee tool, just select like this, that's all. Select like this and press backspace on your keyboard. It will bring out this option, this fill. So you see all this fill. If you want to fill this place with the foreground color, the foreground color is any color that is in front. Say this black is the foreground color, background color is the white. If I want to fill it with white, I'll click on this. But for you to get the perfect image, the perfect color, the perfect texture, perfect pattern and everything, you just put it on content aware. It should be on content aware. Just click on OK. That's all. So it will fill it in. Can you see? Then you deselect it by pressing Ctrl D on your keyboard or right click and deselect. So let's come to our history. This is before and this is after, or this before, this is after. So let me fill up this place too for you to see. Pick your rectangular marquee tool, just select, make sure you are selecting all the area you want to be filled. Then press your backspace on your keyboard, make sure your content is on content aware, your mode normal, opacity is 100%, then click on OK. So that's all, as simple as ABC. So this is before and this is after. No magic, before and after. Let me do it once again. Click on this, your rectangular marquee tool, select this. You can select the two at once, then press your backspace, enter. Okay, then deselect, right click and deselect. Hope this was helpful in one way or the other. Thank you. Keep on subscribing to the YouTube channel Pascal Concept Photography, and let me know. You can always chat me up, send a DM. Let me know what you're facing, what's the challenge, what you really want, what you're struggling with on Photoshop, and let's see how I can come in one way or the other. Thank you. Bye.